Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Just having a root beer float in the garage. Don't judge me. Check these out. I've had these things soaking for about a day. These things look pretty good. That one's looking really nice. You see that top section was the section that was sticking out before. This is the section that soaked overnight. It's like completely clean. This is just the mineral spirits and dish soap. All loaded up. Round 2. Let's try it. You want to come out here? Yeah? Alright guys, so not a whole lot going on today. Did get the engine to the machine shop though, so that should be done. And the guy said it'll take a couple days, so that's pretty exciting. Pretty cool shop. I'm kind of glad I found the place, so excited that that's going to get done. The cam bearings will get installed properly and all cleaned up, so that'll be nice. Speaking of cleaning, this is what head number 1 looks like. I did get inside there with a brush. It's kind of clean. That looks okay. That one's ready to go back together. This one I'm going to soak another night. I was going to try to get these things assembled tonight, but I'm going to leave that one sit. This bucket is the mineral spirits and dish soap bucket. So I'm going to let that thing sit a little bit longer. It seems like the mineral spirits bucket is working better than the just straight dish soap and water bucket. So one more night, clean that thing up, then I'll start to assemble it. Did also pick up a set of valve springs. So these are the Pack 1218 springs. Got these things ready to go back in. Gonna clean up the valves. New valve stem seals. So I'm gonna get going on that stuff, start working on that. Tomorrow I will be able to get the head cleaned and then start to assemble that thing. Then I'll work on gapping the rings and probably cleaning the oil pan. I think that's all I got left. So got another day or two. By the time you guys see this one of those days will already be gone and the block will be that much closer to back to my possession. And then we're gonna do some things. I don't think that this clean job was too bad. So it was a $1.70 thing of dish soap and some water, a little bit of mineral spirits. Give them a soaky, artichoke, all good. Still soaking the valve covers. I'm gonna do one more night on these things, but these things actually look pretty nice considering they were completely black before. So there's the valve cover and the head. Good stuff. Alright, so that's about it for this one, guys. It sounds like quite a few guys are interested in doing the live stream, kind of like a Q&A session or sit down and talk session. So if you guys got any questions or anything you want to talk about, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to talk about or what questions you have. I'll probably put it on a community post also, so watch out for that thing. I'll post a little bit more information on it and I'll give you guys an opportunity to kind of give some ideas of what you want to talk about or maybe some questions. So probably going to do it Friday night. We'll try this thing out. Not really sure how that's going to work, but let's try it, see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.